Night night train. Chug a chug, the night night train is a rumblin' round the track. We'll ride it down to Sleepy Town and then we'll come right back. Night night blue sky, night night play. Night night to a fun-filled day. Got your ticket? I've got mine. The conductor waves us in. All aboard the night night train. Now let the fun begin. Night night station, night night signs, night night big clock ticking time. Hurry now and find a seat. Choo choo, the whistle blows. The engineer is ready now. To Sleepy Town we go. Night night people, night night town, night night sun going down. First stop is the dining car for a yummy bite to eat. Dinner while the world goes by is such a special treat. Night night mountains, night night trees, night night gently blowing breeze. Snuggling in the parlor car, we read our favorite book and wave down to the little man fishing by the brook. Night night fishies, night night book, night night quietly babbling brook. Bath time in a bubbly bath. Put the toothbrush on the shelf. And Mommy, look at my PJs. I did it by myself. Night night bubbles, night night sink, night night glass with one more drink. Just before we go to bed, I get down on my knees. I thank God for another day and for our family. Night night Mommy, night night Dad, night night best day I've ever had. Is that where you're supposed to do it?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Night night, Dad. Night night, Mom. Night night, Mom. Night night, Dad. Thank you.
Choo, whispers the night night train as we climb into our beds. We'll dream and sway the night away to rest our sleepy heads. Night night whistle, night night train, night night tip tap of the rain. Finally in Sleepy Town, the caboose comes to a rest. We know after a night night sleep, we all will feel our best. Night night lights, night night cars, night night all you twinkling stars. That's the end.